to our channel. Let's do it together.
Today we're gonna make these lace ombre nail arts. I did already on my left hand and I will do to my right hand. This is from last Valentine's Day. It's already 3 weeks. You see the growth? See, it's time to change. This is already spring. So let's do it together.
First, we have to take off this old nail polish.
See, this is already a second coat of this nude color. I forgot to show it to you. I put the base coat and then this pink. And each coat you do, you have to cure it with your UV LED lamp. And don't forget the free edge. I already put everything, don't you worry about it, guys. And cure it
with the lamp.
So we're gonna do the ombre. I use the white, the cream pop shellac. So we're gonna do like this. Just the ombre tip. Don't you worry about that. It's not that so perfect. I'm gonna go let it like that. I dry a little bit and I'm gonna go back. That's how I do, so I don't have to waste time making it perfect, because I want it to be a bit dried the white color. So it's easy for me to go back later on.
And then when you're gonna do a second coat again, with the same process of the white.
Oh no, it's all one shot. You just drag it like this, like that. And then before you cure it, you have to make sure that the tips of your brush is all empty once you want to do the lower part. So the white color will not be too bright. Now they're already stick together. You see, if you want to do the bottom, it's like that. You can tap a little bit. If you see it's to become whitish, you can do back and forth. And sometimes I can do tap like this. I tap like that. See? And you're gonna get a bit lighter, darker, the white on the tips. You see? It's like that, what you'll be looking for. And on the top, it's gonna be like darker. And you cure it. Just make sure they are blend so well.
And then you can cure it.
Yeah. See? Look at that, guys.
Yeah. And very nice.
Once you put the top coat, it looks so nice. So I'm using the black stamping gel, and this is our pattern. It's the lace one. Just put a little bit. Don't put a lot, because this one is so highly pigmented. And you just use the brush. This brush, I don't usually use just only for this, because it's already damaged. That's why I'm using one like this. Just to cover everything. It is important. Use your scraper.
Scrape.
90-degree, but you can see there's a line that I don't like. So you can scrape one more time with the opposite side. Yes, that's what we like. Show it properly, darling. Yeah, That's how we like it. And then we're gonna get our stamper. You pound the bottom and quick. See, we got it. Nice pattern. And I like to put it this way. Short pattern, okay. I like to get from that side. Okay, comb there. You have to be precise. Once you put it, you cannot take it out, but you can roll over and press.
Wow, oh my god, there's some went on your skin.
So that the thing went on my skin, we have to clean it with alcohol like this, and repeat the process again.
So you repeat the process with each finger, and then, well, you can put any stamp if you want.
So if you have some latex to make over your skin around your nails, you can do that. But me, I like just to wipe it off. Flash cure my design so that it will not take off once you suddenly smudge it.
So let's put top coat on
Both? Yeah, each fingers.
Yeah.
Fingernails.
So it's dripping. Wee, wee, wee. You know?
And you have to cure it for 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Good cure. Make sure you put everywhere, also under your nails. Okay. And cure it.
Yeah.
Bye!
Bye!
Thank you for watching. See you in the next
video.